సార్ మీ వాయిస్ వినిపించట్లేదు.
హలో మేడం, ఇప్పుడు మేడం అవుతుందమ్మా. ఇప్పుడే ఐ విల్ స్టార్ట్ సార్, ఇస్ ఇట్ రాజీవ్?
Sir, your voice is feeble. We couldn't able to understand. We couldn't able to hear as well.
ఓకే, ఓకే. అదే Hello?
Sir, okay,
Hello?
done. Okay, sir,
Sir,
done,
thank you, sir.
done.
Thank you, madam. Sir, good once again. I'm sorry to what is called regret for the inconvenience caused by us. I'm sorry. Today we are taking the IS 101 1.5 monitoring for safety, health, and environment, where we have to discuss about the occupation safety, health, environment, as well as the IS 14489 1998, where the audit code, that is 1998, is also revised to 2008, and we will discuss about the ILO, that is International Labour Organization, as well as Environmental Protection Standard. Today we will complete only this IS 14489 2018. First of all, before going to the IS 489 2018, we would like to know that what is occupational health safety management system. Occupational safety health and is generally defined as the science and anticipation of the recognition, evaluation, and control of hazards arising in or from workplace that could impair the health and well-being workers, taking into account of the possible impact on the surrounding communities of general. So you know that during the process of the employees, is there any occupational health is there? We have to identify, anticipate, and recognize and evaluation of the respective impacts, if any. Like this, the promotion of occupational health should also promote the aim of maintenance at the highest degree physical, mental, social well-being of workers. But means we have to take the morale of organization, morale of workers also. The prevention among the workers' departures, health caused by the working conditions is very, very important. Ultimately, we need to see the employee takes care of health, safety, environment. So therefore, the manufacturing industry, we are already going to do before starting the process and all, hazard identification, assessment, and we know where the potential hazards are there, risks are there. Like that, we have to employ aware of the where the potential energy is there. Coming to this IS Bureau of Indian Health BIS 14489 1998. Actually, it is prescribed on 1998, but after that, the 14489/98 is revised as 2018 year. That is earlier Code of Practice on Occupational Health Audit. Now they changed the IS 14489 2018 in line with the ISO 45001 2018 Occupational Health and Safety Audit Code of Practice. See, there is a lot of difference between the 1998 title and 2008 title. 1998 1998 code title is Code Practice on Occupational Health Audit, whereas 14489 2018 published on 18 December 2018, that is the first revision, whereas title is Occupational Health and Safety Audit. Earlier, what is called safety is not there, only occupational health. This is different. There are a lot of article changes in the standard itself from 98 to 2018. That means now it is working as 2018. 1998 is already wiped out. In place of that, 2018 standard is this. What actually the just the 14489 2018, in order to promote a public calculation and the public safety, equal justice for all, better informed citizenry, rule of law, citizenry, we have to see that what is called every citizen of in India or what is called the world where the 14489 is applicable, we have to see that every employee as a citizen. Rule of law we have to follow, and world trade as well as world peace. This legal document is hereby made available on non-commercial basis, as it is right humans to know they speak the law of govern them. One Environmental Protection Act will be discussed after completing this 14489 2018. Now coming to the 14489 health safety audit, the scope says actually the standard is like this only, sir. The standard is like this. This is the standard, sir. You can download from the Google ISO IS 14489 2018. This is the 10 marks question is there for the coming examination, where the terminology is there like ISO system. To this simple way, I can tell you. I can tell you.
Sir, can you repeat ISO 14?
45,001 2018, sir. It is in line with the ISO 45,001 2018, sir. Occupational Safety Management System. Whereas this 14489 2018 only used for safety audit only. That is Occupational Safety Management System. Whereas this is Occupational Health and Safety Audit Code of Practice. Lot of difference is there in this. Suppose, for example, if you see this, one is scope. What is the scope of the 14489 2018? Slowly we have to go, sir, because we have to understand the 14489 is the 10 marks question. Like this ISO audit, there is opening meeting, everything. Before that, we have to understand what is the standard says about. First of all, scope. That means the scope of the standard audit objectives they have organized as to define. We have to see while auditing. And what is the criteria? That means what is the procedure that you have to follow. Provides guidelines for establishing, planning, conducting, documenting observations of audit occupational safety system at workplace. It's only
Sir,
by doing. Yes, please.
Prabhakar garu,
Srinivas garu చెప్పండి.
what is the frequency of this audit, sir?
The frequency of audit is 1 year, sir, actually. The safety audit by organization to submit the audit observation to the factories inspector 1 year.
By
But
third
sir,
party,
is it equivalent to external safety audit or what, sir?
it is
No,
third
no,
party.
it is not third party, sir. Actually, the safety audit done by the third party only. ISO audit is different and this audit is different, sir.
So external safety audit is different from OSHA's audit.
Exactly, sir. OSAS is not there. Sorry, sir. Don't use OSAS. ISO
Sorry,
40
occupational health and safety audit.
Safety audit,
But
safety management system ISO 45,000. That is DNV, TU, not BSA. These are the auditors are prescribed, designated by the factory inspector, sir. This 14489 2018 standard audit can be done by those who what is called prescribed by the factory inspector auditors.
ओके, फैक्ट्री इंस्पेक्टर के हिसाब से डिश से आके हमको ये ऑडिट करते हैं, ऐसा बोल रहे हो? Okay.
In Andhra Pradesh, there are some auditors are there from the list of the factories inspector. From them only we have to do it, sir.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
that means the factory
Thank you.
inspector sent the person for auditing this.
Not
Yeah,
factory.
industry can organize
First of-
this audit.
No, sir. Actually, we have to find out what is the factories inspector list. In that list, we have to take the indents from 3 parties. There are Lumen Engineering, there are ISO engineers, so many parties are there, sir. That is, so many consultants are there. In that consultants, we ask what is called, who is the L1? Factories inspector is not telling to do it as per the consent for operation. CFO, we need to do the what is called this audit, sir.
So this audit is
Huh?
mandatory as per State Government Act or Central Government Act.
This is mandatory for Factories Inspector of Act 1947 and 19 Factories Rules 1950.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Only we have to
Sir,
take
but
the
sir, but
Tell me,
I
sir.
don't remember this audit is happening with our pipeline industry, sir.
So that's why I'm asking this question.
लास्ट 2 साल से हमको
हाँ, सर।
इंटरनल एश्योरेंस ऑडिट होता है और एक्सटर्नल सेफ्टी ऑडिट होता है, बट
Sir,
ऑक्यूपेशनल सेफ्टी एंड हेल्थ हुआ नहीं है.
I think so.
Okay,
This
sir.
audit can be covered in external audit, maybe.
I'll tell you one thing, sir. If you have a consent for operation audit document is there, sir? CFO.
Yeah, external safety audit report is there.
No, I'm talking about the consent for operation. That is,
Yeah,
you're
we
obtaining-
have consent for
Yeah,
operation.
Very good,
No,
sir.
it is- no,
Where
consent-
I'm sorry, let me continue. Let me continue.
Yeah,
sir, then we
please,
start.
please, sir. Please.
In that, what is called say, Schedule A, Schedule B, Schedule C is there. In the Schedule A, we will all talks about the acts which the organization prescribes. And Schedule B speaks about the utilities, power, water requirement and all. Whereas Schedule C, hazardous related. In that, if the organization have this any point, the organization entitled to do on-site emergency plan, entitled to do safety audit as per the 14489 2018. If that is there, the Schedule C, you are forced to do it at least 2 to 3 years once. Depending upon your Schedule A, Schedule B, Schedule C in CFO. All industries cannot have this facility. They cannot do it. They need not do it. Because in the consent for operation, all consent for operation, this point is not there. Only for a red category, those who are. Got my point, sir?
Sir, I think
Okay, sir. Got my point, sir? Tell me, sir, please. Lakshmi
Sir,
Daskar. Chandra
yes,
tell
sir,
me.
I think it is-
COP is related to Pollution Control Board, and Factory Act is related to Dish Office. That is
Yes,
Director Industrial Health and Safety.
Health and safety. See, don't compare with the ISO, sir. It is only Pollution Control Board and Practice Inspector of Act. As per Pollution Control Board, if you have a CFO, in the CFO Schedule C, it is mentioned, you have to do it and submit the copy to Practice Inspector.
sir, I think it is actually it vary to state. In few state, it is mandatory. For example,
Exactly.
this
It is
has
state to state
mandatory
different,
in
sir.
Maharashtra.
Different, sir. Exactly. 100% you are
Yes,
right, sir.
sir.
State to state is different, sir.
So, for example, I am from Himachal. So in Himachal, government is not mandating this. But in Maharashtra,
Himachal
MP, it is mandated by this.
Yes, yes. But Himachal Pradesh, I don't know, but you have to study your Factories Act. Himachal Pradesh Factories Act. whether it is there or not, and you have to
Yes, sir.
verify
Yes,
your
sir.
consent for operation. How the Himachal
Yes,
Pradesh
sir, it is
is
not mandatory here actually.
mandatory or non-mandatory is different, sir. Your consent for operation mention means you have to do it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But it is not mentioned here. That's what I'm trying to say. It is not mandatory in Himachal, but in
If
the
it
few
is,
state it is
if it is,
mentioned
if
like this.
either CFE, that means consent for establishment, or the consent for operation not mentioned means you are not entitled to do. You need not do it, sir. Provided if any state, AP state, all the CFOs are mentioned like this, who are under the red category. They are mentioned clearly. Schedule C mein this point is mentioned. Safety audit to be carried out. On-site emergency response plan has to be carried out, especially in AP. Okay, sir. First of all, you verify your consent for operation, sir. Please kindly. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay. Please carry.
Thank you. Coming to this, the standard after the scope is over, the references. What are the references before establishing this 14489 2018 in December? There are two references are there. One is ISO 45001 2018. Another one ISO 14793, that is managing environment, occupational and safety legal compliance. It is general. These 2 points are from this developed the 14489 2018. That's all only. Reference means some of the points are taken from these two. That is 2018, 45,001 2018 and 15793. They have taken some points and established this 14489 2018 standard. As per this standard, the terms and definitions like this, what is RT? RT means organization. RT means who's already awarded. The consultant expected team member, 3 to 5 members coming to your site, and they will do audit on prior intimation if they are ordered on their team. There are some consultancy prescribed by the practice inspector. That team will come to you. They will audit as per the procedure of 14489 2018. Here, RT and clients are same, sir. RT means organization and client is also organization. When the non-conformity is there and observation is there, non-conformity means non-fulfillment of requirement. Everybody knows about it. Because what your SOP says about the particular process that you are not doing up to expectations, that is observation. If you are suppose the SOP as per the SOP not at all you are doing, that is non-conformity, that is non-fulfillment of requirement. You are doing, but you are a better way, there is necessary to do it. That is observation. Non-conformity means complete absence. You are not following. Object to any auditor who comes to your organization, they have to first to find out if any non-conformity is there, any observation is there. They have to find out the first proof, that is objective evidence. The not verbal, sir. Objective evidence has to find out. Then only you have to raise the objective or minor non-conformity. A systematic, that means occupational safety audit, whether the objective is fixed, objective is achieved, whether how you are achieved if the organization is not evaluated, just like that. You are production from 96% to 97, achieved, that's all. But how you achieved, you have to write it. What is your plan of action to achieve 1% productivity increases? In that in that plan objective, you have to write how the procedure to achieve 1% incremental of productivity. That evaluation is not there means that your objective is not having any valid. That is the very important point, 3.7 difference definition. A systematic, objective, documented, independent evaluation determine whether the activities conform to the requirements of the occupational health and safety system procedures. As per procedures, you are increasing the your objective putting for 1% productivity. 1% means not easy, sir. All department you have to see. For that, there is a document evidence is there for incremental of 1%. If not there, it should become a non-conformity. If it is there, if it is not clear evidence, it is observation. Now the 3 is terminology, where we can say the organization is to be audited, audit team is, client, same slide, and come to 3.8, occupational safety system. It's very, very important. But the organization has to have an organization structure. That means organization chart from CEO to workman. We have to write the responsibilities, procedures, processes, resources, excuse me, by top management and organization required to for implementing occupation health safety objectives. That is 3.8. What is the recommendation? See, after doing completion of audit, the audit team has to be recommended by the audit team that the course of audit for improvement in the OHS system. That means they are raising some observations. Like, for example, there are some noteworthy efforts, there are some observations, there are some non-fulfillment of requirement. Once they have given this, definitely you have to make the Excel column, write all the observation what the auditor has given as per the 14489 2018. In the right side, you have to see the compliance status and give the target dates. That compliance status has to submit along with your on-site emergency plan or the safety audit report or any risk assessment to the factory's manager. If not submitted, definitely they will ask. That's what the CFO Schedule C clearly says about the compliance of the status should be submitted for every 6 months. But whereas this audit can be done by 2 to 3 years once as per this, but once the recommendations given by the audit team, that compliance is forced to give to the factories inspector. What is audit goals as per this? See, this is completely different. That is what we say. Simple system is plan, do, check and act. Here is not there. Audit is different. When the team audit is coming, you have to perfectly do the things in such a way in the workplace. They have to implement what you have written. That's what the audits are normally designed to achieve the more or following goals. One or more following goals. One, to provide the auditee with an opportunity to assess the own OHS system against the OHS system standard to identify the areas improvement. Whether the areas improvement is there or not, we have to see.